एनीवेज तू जरा अपना शर्ट ऊपर करके दिखा। अरे क्या तू पागल हो गया क्या? थप्पड़ खाना क्या?
This is Payal Rohatgi alleging that Love Sex और धोखा director Debakar Banerjee made insinuations of casting couch towards her.
Oh, मेरा बच्चा looking hot. Come Nana, come.
More voices that say that casting couch does exist in Bollywood.
Okay, guys, here and now, the casting couch exists. All you struggling actors out there, watch. Be careful.
Casting couch, if you tell me does that exist, I would maybe say yes, it does.
There are others who disagree and say that casting couch does not exist in Bollywood.
I wasn't being serious about the question, Ranveer.
Okay.
In case you were going to make a grand revelation here, I got worried for a moment. Listen, poor Debakar is getting the bad end of that anyway, so I don't think we should go down that path.
Payal Rohatgi is a kind of a she's slightly disturbed person. She probably needs help. Debakar को मैं अच्छी तरह से जानता हूँ and I completely stand by Debakar. इस तरह के इंसिडेंट बहुत होते रहते हैं इंडस्ट्री में और हैं बहुत सारे. मैं एक फिल्म मेकर हूँ, मेरे को 50 मैसेज दिन में ऐसे आते हैं.
I know there is no such thing as the casting couch.
Casting couch or any kind of a couch, it exists everywhere, you know. Why casting couch? There's a casting back seat of the car, there's a casting scooter, there's casting anything. I'm saying it entirely depends on from person to person. I think there's a lot of filmmakers today, all of us, there's so much integrity. I don't think Debakar or Anpasu or Imtiaz or me or anyone would give a role to anyone just because somebody's sleeping with them.
What's your opinion on this matter? And do let us know your opinion.
I am not saying it's a bad world, but it's a male-dominated world. Believe in it. It is a male-dominated world. So be strong from here. Think smart. Play your game right.
Over to your favorite show in the cyber world. Yes, we are talking about Bollywood This Week. We are back. Salman Mania at Nikhil Dwivedi's marriage reception.
ये पार्टी उनके लिए नहीं कि कौन से नाम आएंगे या कौन से नाम नहीं आएंगे. ये उन लोगों के लिए है जिन्होंने बहुत अरसे से और बहुत सालों तक मेरा साथ दिया है और फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में मेरी बहुत मदद की है. बहुत से लोग पर्दे के पीछे के हैं, बहुत से लोग पर्दे के आगे के हैं, बहुत से लोग मीडिया के हैं, आपके चैनल के लोग हैं. उन सबको मैंने यहाँ पे बुलाया है क्योंकि सब लोग शादी में शरीक नहीं हो पाए थे.
Nikhil is a great guy and now he's married like a lot of people have to at some stage in their life. And I wish him all the best and I think he'll do well.
कोई टिप्स दिए आपने?
नहीं, कोई टिप्स नहीं. शादी की कोई टिप्स दे सकता है. Every marriage is a new story.
मैं एक्चुअली बहुत अपसेट हूँ क्योंकि जब उसकी शादी हुई थी मैं चंडीगढ़ में थी, so I couldn't attend. वो मेरे बहुत अच्छे दोस्त हैं. I know him from many years. So I just and his wife is lovely. मैं गौरी से हमेशा यही कहती हूँ जो उसकी वाइफ है कि उसने क्या देखा जो निखिल से शादी की. She's really beautiful.
Vicky Frames Excellence Awards.
Can we have some music?
Where's Shah Rukh? Where's my dancing partner? Shah Rukh Khan. Thank you so much, first of all, you for being here and your wonderful wife, Deborah, and Victoria and all your team who's come here. Thank you so much for making this such a sparkling evening.
It's very, very special when you receive recognition from FICCI because it's an industry body and it makes this particular felicitation very, very different and exceedingly special.
It feels great. It's a good boost. It's a good encouragement.
I'm such a huge fan and it's a very special film. Thank you very much, FICCI. And thank you, Vijay from Fox, for making this happen, for getting you here. Thank you for being here.
Shah Rukh Khan spoke to the media in the India-Pakistan Cricket World Cup semi-final.
What do you say? Will India play the finals in one day?
after seeing first half of India-Pakistan match?
Yeah, I think it's a good enough score. I think 260, I think anything beyond 250 would put pressure on the opposing side. I think I was more bothered about India playing finals than the semi-finals. So inshallah we will play the finals and win it also. I've got extra t-shirts for that. So I have to go there and watch the finals inshallah. Maybe in the middle we tottered a little. But I think 260 is a damn good score for a semi-final where the opposing team will also be under pressure. I think we've been very lucky today.
कहते हैं कि जब सचिन तेंदुलकर शतक नहीं बनाते तो इंडिया जीतती है और जब शतक बनाते हैं तो नहीं जीतती, तो कुछ ऐसा आपको लग रहा है कि जीत जाएगी? वो
ना ऐसे मैं तुम्हारे चैनल पे देखा एस्ट्रोलॉजी आता है ना, मुझे बात करेगा, मुझसे बात करेगा।
वहाँ पे आएंगे अगर टीम जीतती है तो
100% ना सड़कों पे भागूंगा मैं।
Faltu promotion on Radio Mirchi.
My character in the film is I'm the biggest Faltu, and I want to do stuff a little differently, and how me and my gang of friends we try to do something a little differently, and in the beginning people think we are Faltus, but eventually we prove our point in a good way. She always had this complaint with Remo, why are my dialogues lesser than Jackie?
I've never said that. Bullshit. Please don't say less than Jackie, it's not nice.
Why are my dialogues, lesser?
Hey, hit the highway of It's CBITC interviews now. What are the reasons, according to Yash Chopra, behind Band Baja Barat doing exceptionally well at the box office?
Very, really bad. She's still running 15, 16 a week. And with newcomer and not a very big film, with such appreciation of the audience, it only means one thing. If the content is good, people have liked it, then there is no barrier. The ground rule is content has to be good.
Ravan director speaks about the music of the film.
There are two songs by Icon actually, and there is a possible collaboration with a British band called Prodigy on the background score of the film, not on a song actually. And there are no other foreign collaborations that we are looking at besides some work on the background score that will happen outside of India. Both the Icon songs are fantastic. Then there is another song that I have put all my money on.
Okay, what is that?
You will hear it. It's called Dildara. That's a romantic song. You can't make a film with SRK and not have a romantic song.
Obviously.
The king of romance.
Obviously.
And then there's a sad song. Then there's the good mix of songs. I think we have a good album on hand.
T-Series director Ajay Kapoor clarifies the rumors surrounding the alleged differences between Salman Khan and director Anees Bazmi.
No, that's a false news. Actually, what happened, as the whole industry is aware of, that his thank you is coming. And we had completed our schedule in Bangkok. Only 3 songs were left, which was again a 15 days work. So Anees bhai planned with Bhushanji that if I could go and complete my thank you and the choreographers can take over the songs. So with Salman bhai also we discussed, so they were all fine that, see, the songs mainly the choreographer has to
Raju Khan.
design. Yeah, Raju Khan and Mudassar is there. So they were two choreographers. So we thought that's a nice idea, and moreover on first and second Anees bhai is again shooting those shots which are remained in Bangkok.
Anees was shooting.
Yeah.
Okay, that is interesting news.
So that anyone can go and check on the set, So this is all false news.
It's sayonara time from your favorite show, Bollywood This Week. We leave you with the making of Sharman Joshi's 7-Up ad. Till next week, take loads and loads of care, guys. Have fun. Bye-bye.
अपने गुस्से को गटक जा 7-Up के साथ। इसका रिफ्रेशिंग लेमन फ्लेवर आपके गुस्से को कर दे एकदम चिल।
मर्डर केस हो जाना था आज तो।
Bollywood Hungama News Network.